Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Dallas from Dallas Can Do It. I haven't made a video since I was 4 and now I'm 5. Today we're going to make a lava lamp. Here's what we'll need. Oil, a clear jar, a measuring spoon, scissors, a highlighter, and Alka-Seltzer. First thing we're going to pour the oil into a jar, but be careful not to spill it. Napkin, please. I might need to clean my hands if it spills. I'm kidding this moment. Next thing we're going to do is open the highlighter, the scissor, and cut the top off the marker. Squeeze the highlighter into the oil. I say that's immiscible. That means they don't mix. Now we're going to crush the Alka-Seltzer. Alka-Seltzer is filled with diazepam gas, carbon dioxide, and makes bubbles. So we're going to put it in and see what happens. What's happening? Dumb experiment. Shake it around just a little bit. Let's see if it gets the liquid flowing. And it does. See the orange highlight rise into the top? It's flowing into the lava lamp. Since it's daytime, I'm going to go take the lava lamp to a dark room to see if it glows. Follow me. So now I'm in the bathroom and now I'm going to turn the lights out. See how it's glowing? I use a highlighter because highlighters glow. Next time you use this, you can also use a liquid from a glow stick. Because it glows and it's a glow stick. That experiment wasn't what I expected it to be, but that's science. It happens. That's why we do experiments, to see if they work. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. Well, that's it in our experiment. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Dallas Can Do It.